I'm Craig from Your Tech. Today we're going to be doing a guide on how to clean a PC. This gigantic PC case in front of me is my PC. This PC is an absolute workhorse. I do everything on this, from gaming, video editing, photo editing, streaming, writing scripts, writing ideas down, managing websites. Everything that I do on this PC. I haven't cleaned this PC in 2 years, which is very unlike me, but I've been a very, very busy man. So I'm going to take some time today and I'm going to show you how I do a deep clean on customer PCs and my own PC. We're going to go through step by step. This will look brand new by the time that I'm finished. First, a little bit of background. This is my PC. I've had it for 4 years. This was purchased at the time of the Scalpocalypse. It started off its first iteration in a white Lian Li Lancool 2, and then a couple of years ago I upgraded to a black Lian Li Lancool 3. This is a fantastic case that I could highly recommend to anyone. First step, doing anything like this, is to disassemble it down to its component parts. So there we go, everything is disassembled. The case is now very, very light. Everything is stripped down. Power supply, hard drive, SSDs, fans, motherboard, graphics card, all in one liquid cooler, all the cables, SATA power, the Commander Pro and all the other Corsair bloody wires that you have to have just to be able to get the system working and cooling. So that moves on to step 2. Get a high powered air duster and blow everything out. Get all the surface dust removed from all the components so that when it comes time to actually clean them properly and meticulously and going through with wipes and precision cotton buds, it just makes it a whole lot easier. So let's blow everything out. Job's a good one. And that's everything blown out. Step 3, we're going to wipe everything down with a microfiber cloth and some isopropyl alcohol. So all of the big flat surfaces that have still got dust on them, I should just wipe away dead easy. And then we'll get into the precision cleaning part of it, which is getting in the nooks and crannies of the fan blades and things like that with precision cotton buds or toothbrush or paintbrush or something like that, just to get all that dust and grime out from the fan blades and all the nooks and crannies. Everything is near enough ready to be reassembled. First, this graphics card, 4 years old. The warranty's finally run out on it, and I'm going to take it apart and replace the thermal pads if they need it, and the thermal paste, which will definitely be needed. I will clean all the fans out, make sure that this is basically back to day 1 of when I first got this card. I've done some temperature testing, so stay tuned at the end of the video to see what kind of temperature difference we have before the clean and after the clean on the graphics card and on the CPU. That is one clean graphics card. You can barely see me over this gigantic case. I mean, I'm not very tall, but still. That's the PC all put back together. PC is ready to go. All I've got to do is run a few benchmarks and I'll show you the difference between the temperatures before and after cleaning. I will premise this by saying this PC was nowhere near as dirty as I expected it to be. Considering that it has been nearly 2 years since I've cleaned this out, on the whole, it was relatively clean. There was a few bits of dust and some surface dust to wipe off and stuff like that, but I honestly think if the temperatures have gone down, they've gone down purely because of the repaste on the CPU, no other reason. However, it looks immense. I'm so happy. It does look cleaner. The glass has been needed to have a wipe for a while, and yeah, couldn't be happier. But there you go, that was the guide, and here comes the benchmarks. as you can see, the temperatures did come down a little bit, which is awesome. It may be because I had different thermal paste. I can't remember. I'm pretty sure I used Cryonaut the last time it was pasted, and this time I've used NTH2 by Noctua. So it's not a fair comparison. That could be the reason that we've lost a few degrees. It could also be just that it's had a repaste after 2 years. It could be that I've cleaned the radiator and the fans out. It's hard to know. But either way, that is how you clean a PC. That is how I clean a PC, including taking the graphics card apart and repasting that. That usually almost always sees the best increase in temperatures. I thoroughly enjoy doing the graphics card ones. They can be a nightmare. Some of them can be really hard to take apart, but sometimes it's worth it. Next week, we've got an awesome video coming up of me and my partner rebuilding this PC after I cleaned it. She's a complete technophobe and a complete novice, and I talk her through and help her build this PC up to what it is. For a little bit of a spoiler, this is not an easy PC to build. It's got iQ Commander Pro, it's got RGB hub, it's got 9 fans, 3, 6, 9, 10 fans. The cabling's an absolute nightmare. Doing everything in the right order is so difficult, but she absolutely smashed it. She made it look easy, and it was a lot of fun to film. Hopefully you'll stay tuned, put the notification bell on if you want to get notified for that video coming up, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.